Imagine a computer chip that you don't manufacture, but instead grow in your kitchen. Researchers at The Ohio State University have discovered that everyday edible mushrooms can store and process information much like a living brain. Their findings suggest fungi could one day replace some of the silicon and rare earth materials that power our digital world. Inside every mushroom lies a thread-like network called mycelium. Underground, these networks already pass signals between roots and trees in a kind of natural communication system. Scientists at Ohio State's College of Medicine and its Department of Electrical and Computer Engineering wondered whether that same biological wiring could be repurposed to hold memory. To test the idea, the team grew shiitake and button mushrooms on organic materials such as wheat, germ, hay, and farro seeds. Once mature, the fungal mats were dried in sunlight, then rehydrated with a simple spray of water to restore conductivity. When connected to electrical probes, the mushrooms changed their resistance in response to repeated voltage cycles. That behavior closely mirrored how neurons in the brain learn and adapt. According to lead author John LaRocco, a research scientist in psychiatry at Ohio State, the fungal chips could switch electrical states thousands of times per second with high accuracy. At frequencies around 10 Hz, the mushrooms displayed classic memory loops known as hysteresis curves, confirming their potential as memristors. Co-author Qudsia Tahmina, an associate professor in electrical and computer engineering, says the appeal goes well beyond performance. Fungal electronics can be grown rather than mined, they biodegrade after use, and they consume far less power than conventional chips. Shiitake mushrooms even contain a compound called lentinan that helps them endure radiation, temperature shifts, and ultraviolet light. That resilience could make fungal circuits useful for aerospace and deep space missions, where harsh conditions damage traditional electronics. The team also notes that scaling this technology requires very little infrastructure. Anyone with a small culture, a few electrodes, and patience could begin experimenting with fungal computing at home. The study, published in the journal PLOS One, hints at a future where computers grow naturally, storing memories through living networks rather than silicon wires. For more on this story, find a link to the full article on Earth.com in the description.